Hi, and welcome to this talking head video and this channel update. First off, I just want to thank every single one of you for watching and subscribing. We are now, at the time of filming this, just over 17,600 subscribers, which is just phenomenal. I am so insanely over the top about that. Like I said in every single video, with the channel updates, really was never expecting it to get this far, and it just keeps growing, which is awesome. And the channel is kind of evolving with my IT career as well, going into cybersecurity and taking on a blue teaming role and security analyst role. Um, One of the big things, as you can tell by the title, is that I will be at SecTor 2025 in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and that is October 1st and 2nd. I'll be there. If you see me, feel free to come up and chat about PowerShell, cybersecurity, anything like IT related, or if you just want to say hi and talk a little bit, pique my brain. I could also pique on yours because I think everyone has something to learn from everyone. I will be there October 1st and October 2nd. Don't be shy. I'm excited to meet some of you guys if you are there. Now, also with SecTor, of course, and my new role, we've been doing a lot more cybersecurity videos, and we've built out the home lab with a primary feature of like blue teaming. There are still a lot of videos coming. This doesn't mean that's the end of it, but I'm actually asking you guys what you guys are thinking about the videos, see what your thoughts are on those videos, because I know it has been mostly blue teaming. We will be doing some red teaming eventually as well. But for now, it's still going to be blue teaming and just building out that home lab so you guys can build really foundational skills and be able to apply for security analyst positions, SOC analysts, anything like that. Now, as well as I would like to kind of see what you guys want to see in the channel as well, whether that be more PowerShell videos. I have a list of things that I'm about to get into about what's coming to the channel. But if you guys would like to see more blue teaming, more red teaming, more PowerShell, or maybe I am completely missing a topic that you guys are completely in on and you guys want to see videos on. Because I try to do more videos that aren't necessarily super out there in terms of workable quality, or like especially like the PowerShell videos is when I was learning PowerShell. These are the videos that I wish I would have had. So I want to know what you guys want to see, and I will do my best to do those. Now, some of the videos that are actually coming to the channel in the near future. Next week, we will have the review on that mini PC I bought on Amazon to host our home lab. But the review will actually be for the home lab, for general use, and for gaming, since actually those PCs are usually geared towards like gaming side of things and selling it for gaming. So we're going to be testing that out. We're going to be testing out like general use and also my thoughts on it being able to host the home lab. So there will be that video coming out next week. Now, as for the cybersecurity videos, there's actually quite a few videos coming out for that as well. Again, more focusing on the blue teaming side. So we're going to have some vulnerability scanning videos. We're also going to be looking at solutions like Wuzza, which is an XDR and SIEM solution. So I know a lot of people have really done videos on Wuzza, but I'm going to do one of my own and my own take on it and kind of give my opinions on Wuzza as a open source solution. Also, there will be a return of a little bit more PowerShell videos kind of sprinkled in there as well, because I know there's been quite a little while where we haven't seen a PowerShell video because all these cybersecurity labs have been taking the majority of my time. But what we'll do is we'll combine PowerShell and cybersecurity together because PowerShell is a powerful scripting language, and PowerShell is also widely used in blue teaming and red teaming as well. So PowerShell skills will definitely help you in your cybersecurity role, and we will be checking that out on this channel. So that's pretty much it that I really have for this channel update. So we have quite a bit more cybersecurity, more PowerShell videos. I want to know what you guys are thinking on the current cybersecurity lab videos, what your thoughts are on those, and what you guys would like to see. And of course, like I said, I'll be at SecTor, which is in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It is basically our version of the Black Hat event that gets held in Vegas and a couple other uh, areas as well. Ours is just named SecTor. So if you guys are wondering what SecTor is, it is basically the Canadian version of Black Hat. It is hosted by the exact same company. And once again, I thank every single one of you guys watching this video right now and for subscribing. Also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out. Like I said, that next video is going to be review on that mini PC, and I'll have a link to the mini PC that the review is on, so you guys can keep an eye out for those good deals, especially on the Prime Day deals. That's when I got mine because it was a lot cheaper. And by no means am I sponsored for this for saying this. I don't even know if the review is actually going to be good yet. You guys will have to stay tuned for that video next week, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.